प्रार्थनया आरम्भं कुर्मः। पठामि
संस्कृतं नित्यं।
प्लीज म्यूट अनुगायतु, म्यूट कृत्वा अनुगायतु, अनम्यूट मा करोतु। सदा शिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि
संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतं
संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहं। संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमादरम्। संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानम् आहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमादरम्। आरम्भं कुर्मः। So I'll mute everybody to begin with. I have muted everybody. We'll start the class now. Please don't unmute. I will, whenever there's a question, please raise your hand or sorry, put it in the chat section. We will address it. Today, we are going to start next Vibhakti. We talked about Shashti Vibhakti in the last class. So the next 1.5 hours, we will spend some time understanding what is Saptami Vibhakti and also the usages of Saptami Vibhakti. But before that, I want to explain this particular prayer that all of us, most of us do when we get up in the morning. So the prayer is Atra Dridhi Asti va? Varge Dridhi Asti va? Dridhi Adya Tana Kakshayam Asti va? Nasti. Nasti idyaham manye ahameva karomi. Prabhava Vandanam. This is something that we all do when we get up in the morning. Most of us do, some of us don't, but from today onwards, please do it. That is also the purpose of this class. This class is not to just teach you some Vyakaranam and some grammar and some conversation in Sanskritam, but it is also to change your thinking and also connect you to the roots. So this prayer is the first thing that we should do when we get up in the morning. So the prayer is Karagre Vasate Lakshmihi कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूले तु गोविंदः प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। हम पुनः एकवारं गायामि। कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मीः कर मध्ये सरस्वती कर मूले तु गोविंदः प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। This particular prayer is what we have begun with the class today. Is the meaning of the prayer most of you should be knowing, but we will get into the nuances of the prayer and its grammar inside that. And with that, let us start the Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, so Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti. First, let us understand the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti. So the other day, Kumar Mahodaya told a story and he ended with Saptami Vibhakti. So he said, Balake, Balake, and then he said Balake. I don't know what he said at the end, but Balaki was the way what he ended. But I'll talk about what is Balaki in this Saptami Vibhakti. So Saptami Vibhakti in English, the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti in English, let me just look at the book. It is called the locative case. Saptami Vibhakti is called the locative case. And the meaning of this as per the Pravesha book is is in, on, at. Sorry, it is not in the book, but it's from memory. It is not written in the book. In, on, at, and among which, I think. Among which. Anyway, it's very difficult to explain the meaning of Sanskritam vibhaktis in English. So let me tell you some sentences and try to explain it. In Malayalam, it means Adingal Adil Vacha. Adingal Adil Vacha. It means inside something. Again, I'll explain to you what it means. But the definition of Saptami Vibhakti, like I said, Yatra Sambodhanam Bhavati Sambodhana Vajaga Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Iti Aham Gata Saptahe Uktavan. Yatra Sambodhana Asti Sambodhana Vajaga Shabdasya Shashti Bhavati. And then I said of and apostrophe S. These are the Samanya meanings of Shashti Vibhakti. So Rama's wife, Ramasya Patni, Sita's husband, Sitayaha Patihi. Nadi's name, Nadyaha Nama, Ganga, Yamuna, Tadrisham. So that Aha, that Asya, that is all Shashti Vibhakti. Similarly, in Saptami Vibhakti also there is some pratyayam that will be added to the Pradipadikam, and we will talk about it. But before that, the definition, the standard definition of Shashti Vibhakti, of Saptami Vibhakti, which is also called the locative case in English. So there is a nominative case which is Pradama Vibhakti, genitive case which is what we talked last week, the Shashti Vibhakti, and Saptami Vibhakti is a locative case. In fact, I tell all of you, don't remember this locative, nominative and all that rubbish. To me, it's absolutely no meaning, because I myself have not learned English grammar to that extent that you need to know what is genitive case, what is nominative case, what is locative, etc. If you are able to understand the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti, use it in your conversation, use it in your writings, and understand what it is, there is nothing more than that, rather than understanding the English meaning of that, which is locative case. But since it is mentioned in the book, I have just mentioned that. Adhikaranat Saptami Vibhaktihi. Adhikaranat Saptami Vibhaktihi. What is Adhikaranat Saptami Vibhaktihi? Let me explain to you one or two sentences. From the sentences, you should be able to understand. Saha Asande Upavishati. Saha, it is he, somebody who's far away. Now you'll say Eshaha. Saha, Eshaha is absolutely fine. Saha. Instead of Saha, let us use Sujit Mahodaya. Sujit Mahodaya. Sujit Mahodaya Asande Upavishati. Kutra Upavishati? Asandaha ityukte chair. Upavishati is the Kriyapadam. I have already explained to you the meaning of the Kriyapadam. Upavishati is sitting. Upavishati is sitting. Kutra Upavishati? Upavishati. Kutra Upavishati? Where is he sitting? The answer you get, Asande. So Asandaha, the chair, becomes Asande. That in the, that A is Saptami Vibhakti Pratyaya. So you will not say Saha Asandaha Upavishati. He sitting chair, or he chair sitting. You will not say he is sitting on the chair. So the on the chair, Asande. Asande Upavishati. So you get the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti, on. On is Asande. There's a small book that I have, it's a small Bhagavad Gita, very small version. It is in my hand. Pustagam kutra asti? Pustagam, mama, mine, haste asti. Hastaha will become haste. That haste is Saptami Vibhakti. So Pradama Vibhakti Ekavajanam, hastaha. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavajanam, Ekavajanam eva. We will only talk about Ekavajanam now, then we will go to Dvivachanam Bahuvachanam. Haste asti. Asandaha Pradama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. आसन्दे अस्ति, आसन्दे सप्तमी विभक्ति। कूपी, कूपी अस्ति, कूपी स्त्रीलिंग पदमेव, so it is not कूप्ये, कूप्ये is wrong because for स्त्रीलिंग पदम आसन्दः and हस्तः द्वयोः अपि पुल्लिंग शब्दमेव, अकारान्त with a visargam at the end, पुल्लिंग पदमेव, परंतु कूपी इति पदम स्त्रीलिंग पदमेव, कूपी ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग पदम. So I want to say water is there in the bottle. Kupyam, kupi will become kupyam. That yam is a saptami vibhakti. That e will become yam. Kupyam jalam asti. Kupyam jalam asti va? Asti. Kupyam jalam asti. Udyanam. Udyanam iti padam napumsakalingam. पूर्वे एव पठितवन्तः. उद्यानम्, उद्यानम् अहं पूर्वे एव उक्तवान्. द्वितीया विभक्ति अनन्तरं प्रथमा पुल्लिङ्गपदानि नपुंसकलिङ्गपदानि समानमेव रूपं भवति इत्युक्ते पुल्लिङ्गपदम् इदानीमेव पठितवन्तः. Which is the पुल्लिङ्गपदं that we learned right now? आसन्दः, आसन्दे. Then I said हस्तः, हस्ते. कूपी स्त्रीलिंग पदम अतः कूप्याम इति भवति. उद्यानम इति अगारान्त नपुंसकलिंग पदम. उद्यानम अम् आगच्छति चेत् अहं पूर्वे उक्तवान्, गत सप्ताहे इन पूर्वे कक्षायाम् अहम् उक्तवान् उद्यानम इति पदम नपुंसकलिंगम. नपुंसकलिंगम पुल्लिंग तादृशमेव समान रूप भविष्यति. तृतीया विभक्ति, चतुर्थी विभक्ति, पंचमी, षष्ठी, सप्तमी सामान्यतया प्रथमा सामान्यतया पुल्लिंग पद तादृशमेव विभक्ति रूपाणि भविष्यति. अतः उद्यानम will become उद्याने, उद्यानम उद्याने, हस्तः हस्ते, आसन्दः आसन्दे. उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति. पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि, पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि, we know that. पुष्पाणि, flowers, santi, whenever there is flowers plural santi will come, that also we know. उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति. कुत्र पुष्पाणि सन्ति? उद्याने पुष्पाणि सन्ति. कुत्र जलम् अस्ति? कूप्यां जलम् अस्ति. कुत्र सः न सुजित महोदय उपविशति? आसन्दे सुजित महोदय उपविशति. So the answer for the question kutra will always be in saptami vibhakti. There is one exception, kutra gacchati. Kutra gacchati, when there is a gama dhatu coming, the answer will not be saptami vibhakti, it will be dvitiya vibhakti. It will be dvitiya vibhakti, which I will explain in the dvitiya vibhakti class. Just note that kutra gama dhatu, kutra gacchati iti वाक्यस्य इति प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं सप्तमी विभक्त्यां न भविष्यति, द्वितीया विभक्ति भविष्यति. द्वितीया विभक्ति अहम् अनन्तरं वदामि. कुत्र गच्छति? अहं दिल्ली नगरं गच्छामि. भवान् दिल्ली नगरं गच्छति. भवान् केरल राज्यं गच्छति. तत्र राज्यं नगरम् एतत् सर्वं नगरीं नगरम् एतत् सर्वं द्वितीया विभक्ति भवति. चिन्ता मास्तु. केवलं गमन धातु कुत्र प्रश्न शब्दस्य समये केवलं गम धातु प्रयोगं कर्तुं समये सप्तमी विभक्ति न भवति. अन्यत्र सर्वं सप्तमी विभक्ति एव भवति. कुत्र पठति? विद्यालये पठति. पठति गमधातु नास्ति. अतः कुत्र प्रश्नवाचकस्य शब्दस्य उत्तरं सप्तमी विभक्ति. पाठशाला पाठशालायां पठति. विद्यालयः विद्यालये. अतः कुत्र प्रश्नवाचक शब्दस्य उत्तरं Saptami vibhaktiyam eva bhavati. Kevalam kutra gacchati gamadadu agacchati chet dvidiya vibhakti bhavati. So these are the most commonly used in, on, at. English Angaleya padam, in, on, at. Saptami vibhakti has got one more meaning, which is about in plural only, not in singular. Shreshteshu Ramaha Shreshtaha. Among the Shreshtas, Rama is the Shreshta. That meaning is also there in Saptami Vibhakti. Shreshtaha idhi padasya Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvajanam Shreshteshu. But we will get into, I will not be teaching the such kind of, I'll teach you the basic Saptami Vibhakti. 95% of Saptami Vibhakti will be in this in, on, at only. In fact, Radhika Bhagini, my co-teacher, will be coming and taking 2 classes for you. She'll be taking, I think, Tritiya Vibhakti, and I'm also requesting her to take special Vibhakti meanings, because the same Pratyayam will have multiple meanings also. Shresteshu ityukte, among the Shreshtas, that is one meaning, and in the Shreshtas also, because the in, on, at, that meaning is also there. So one Vibhakti Pratyayam will have multiple meanings. That multiple meanings, I will teach you the Samanya Pada meanings, and Radhika Bhagini will come and take a special class on the all the Vibhaktis, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panjami, Shashti, Saptami, special meanings, whatever I have not covered. I am trying to cover, but certain things I would have missed out, because my intention is not to teach you and make you Panditas in Sanskrit at this point of time. At this point of time, you should be comfortable with the language, and 95% of Saptami Vibhakti meanings will be in, on, at. In Malayalam also, Adingal Adil Vacha. Just for people who understand Malayalam, Adingal means Adil, that ill in Malayalam. Actually, it is Saptami Vibhakti only. Ramanil, Krishnanil, Mandiratil, Mandire, Rame, Bhavane, Bhavanatil, ill, Kutrabi, ill agachati, Malayala Bhashayam, Tatra, Saptami Vibhakti eva agachati. It's the most easiest way to teach if you teach in a Deshiya language. I think the Hindi meaning of Saptami Vibhakti, I have to figure it out. I have written it down somewhere. The Hindi meaning of Saptami Vibhakti, it is there somewhere under my, I don't know, it is there. Okay, I'll explain to you. Maybe in the WhatsApp group I'll see. But then this is the meaning, whatever I told you right now, in, on, at. So the answer to the question where Kutra on the verb will be in the locative case. Ityukte Saptami Vibhakti. Udaharana Rubena Kamalani Kasare Sandhi. Kutra Sandhi Kasare in locative case. Kamalani, forget about Kasare and all that. Let us learn about the verb noun form that we know. Kamalani Vatikayam. Vatika Strilinga Padam. Saptami Vibhakti Vatikayam. Kupi Kupyam. Vatik Udyanam Nabumsakalingam. Kamalani, lotuses. Let us assume that we have got nice Udyanam, where there's a pond and there are lotuses. Kamalani tukte lotus flowers. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Kamalani Kutra Sandhi. Kamalani Udyane Sandhi. Udyanam, Udyane. Nabumsakalingam will become ne. Not only Kutra, I told this in the earlier classes also, the answer indicating time in response to the question when. Kada, Bhavan Kada Uttishtati, Aham Saptavadane, that A will come, right? Saptavadanam will become Saptavadane, that A is Saptami Vibhakti. You cannot say Aham Saptavadanam Uttishtami, that is wrong. At 7 o'clock, that at meaning will come in Saptavadane, Dashavadane, Panjavadane, Sapada Ashtavadane, 8:15, Sartha Navavadane, 9:30, Padon Vadane, 9:45 will be locative case. Locative case ityukte Saptami Vibhakti eva. Udaharana Rupena, Aham Sayam Kale Gacchami. In the evening. In the evening, Sayam Kale, Prada Kale, Kale, Samayaha, Sayam Kale, Madhyana Samaye, Tatra A Agachati, Etat Sarvam, Saptami Vibhaktyaha, examples, Udaharanameva. The place, the word expressing something on which one sits, stands, etc. Saptami Vibhakti. Udaharana Rupena, kate. Kate itukte on the mat. Kate. I have to figure out whether it is katam or kataha. Parantu, we don't have to worry about it right now. Kataha or katam, I need to find it out. Whether it is Pradama Vibhakti Ekavajanam kada Pradama Vibhakti Ekarupam aham na janami. Parantu kate on the mat. On agachati cheta Saptami Vibhakti eva. Kate ubhavishati. Asande ubhavishati. Asande kate edat sarvam Saptami Vibhakti rupam eva. Locative case has to be used, Saptami Vibhakti has to be used for the word that denotes a person, thing for whom liking, devotion, respect, etc. are shown. Jeshte, in your brother, Jeshte adaraha bhavatu, have respect in your brother. So, respect if you use in your brother. There also, you will use Saptami Vibhakti eva. Another udaharanam is Jeshte adaraha asti. There is respect in your brother. Adaraha, adaraha, respect, love, and then liking, devotion. Rame bhakti. In Rama, Rame bhakti asti. In Rama, I have respect. Asmi, aham karoti eva. Rame bhakti asmi. Rame, in Rama, I have respect. So, tatra abhi Saptami Vibhakti agachati. Parantu samanya rupa, samanyataya, whatever I explained as initially, in, on, at eva, 95%. Kinchitavi Saptami Vibhakti among Shresteshu Purusheshu Ramaha Shreshtaha. Among the Shreshtas. There is in Shashti Vibhakti also, I have not taught you that. Shashti Vibhakti in certain, in our Bhagavad Gita book, etc. Shreshtanam Purushanam Ramaha Shreshtaha. Shreshtanam Shreshtasya Shreshtayoho Shreshtanam Shashti Vibhakti. Shreshtanam is Bahuvachanam Shashti Vibhakti also. Shreshtanam Purushanam Purushasya Purushayoho Purushanam Shashti Vibhakti. So Shashti Vibhakti and Saptami Vibhakti are interchangeable for this comparison of among if you want to use among Shreshtas, you can use Shashti or Saptami, both are interchangeable. Samana artham eva. Shashti Vibhakti gata kakshayam aham etat na uktavan eva. Kimartham? Confusion eva. Shashti Vibhakti, I have told you two meanings. Of apostrophe s. 95% that is the usage. Learn that. We'll have a special class to deal with this Shreshtanam, Purushanam, Ramaha Shreshtaha, or Atra Shresteshu, Purusheshu, Ramaha Shreshtaha. I'll give you some examples also just about that. Dharmarajaha is the best among Pandavas. Pandavanam Shreshtaha Dharmarajaha. Pandavanam, Shashti usage. Pandavasya, Pandavayoho, Pandavanam. Pandavanam Shreshtaha Pandura Dharmarajaha, Dharmaputra eva, vayam sarve janimaha. Pandaveshu Shreshtaha Dharmarajaha. Saptam Vibhakti. Pandava, Pandave, Pandavayoho, Pandaveshu. We will talk about it. I'm just trying to make you understand that Pandavanam, Pandaveshu is interchangeable there. Among students, girls are intelligent. Students, balakasya, balakayoho, balakanam. Balakanam or chatranam, students. Chatrasya, chatrayoho, chatranam. Chatranam. Chatranam, balikaha, buddhimatyaha. Buddhimatyaha, because of it is nadi, nadyo, nadyaha. Buddhimati, buddhimatyaho, buddhimatyaha. Balikaha, bahuvachanam. So you will say Chatranam, Chatrasya, Chatrayoho, Chatranam. Shashti Vibhakti. Chatranam, Balikaha, Buddhimatyaha. One way of saying it. Saptami Vibhakti abhi prayogam kartum shakyade. Chatre, Chatrayoho, Chatreshu. So there again, Chatreshu, Balikaha, Buddhimatyaha. Iti abhi vaktum shakyate samana arthah eva. Parantu idanim vayam we will not spend a lot of time on that meaning of Saptami Vibhakti. There is that in, on, at meaning that we will focus on. But I am thinking we'll have a special class because I am sure there are a lot of students here who go to multiple classes. So they will think the Prasad is not teaching this particular meaning of it. So we will teach that. but I'll give you for a separate class. Similarly, Asmat Shabdam, Yushmat Shabdam, the vibhaktis of that, I'm having a separate class for that itself. So we will use the commonly used Sarvanama Padams and some Namapadas, and that too I told you, Akaranda Pullinga, Akaranda Srilinga, Ikaranda Srilinga, Akaranda Nabumsagam. That is all what I will teach you in my class. Then you have to go and fly yourself. The book is there, several other books are there. So just to teach this class, for example, I will have to read 4 books. And that's the way you can teach a class. So you also have to do that. At the end of these classes, we also want maybe 10 people out of this to teach Sanskrit. That is the confidence that I want in students who are coming to this class. It is not that Prasad is coming 7:30 in the morning and then Saturday we are all getting up and listening to 1.5 hours class. Nice. After that we'll have breakfast. Lagu Aharam, Anandaram, Sanskritam. You will forget. No. The whole purpose is to create Samskrita Anuraginas, Samskrita Premis, and Sanskritam teachers. So we want at least 10 teachers. And I know that some of the students here, like Jayanti Bhagini, have already signed up. She wants to become a teacher. She's going for 2 or 3 other classes. Excellent. Girija Bhagini Asti, Saabhi Uktavadi, Adhyabhiga Bhavishyamiti, Bahu Samyak Chintanameva. So that is the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti. I took 30 minutes to explain just the meaning of Saptami Vibhakti. After that, Sarvam Kanda Padaha Eva. Kantasti Karnameva, the forms are there, and then we'll have to go through it quickly. Does anybody have any doubt right now? Let me look at it in the chat section, and then I will take it forward. Astu. No doubts. So let me move forward because we have very less time and there's a lot to cover, just a lot to cover, and it is difficult. I may have to go 15 minutes extra also. Whoever wants to log in at 9 can log out at 9, should log out, go for other classes, etc. Because it's Saptami is one of the most easiest, but it takes time. Bhalam vrikshaha asti. Bhalam kutra asti. Bhalam vrikshe asti. Chandraha akashaha asti. Chandraha kutra asti. Chandraha akashe asti. The Chandra is there in the sky or on the sky. Bhalam in the tree, on the tree, in, on, whatever it is. In, on, at. Vrikshe asti. Nauka samudraha asti. Nauka means boat. Boat kutra asti. Boat samudre asti. Nauga samudre asti. Bhaktaha devalayah asti. Bhaktaha devalaye asti. The devalaya. The middle ones, the red ones are all will become Saptami Vibhakti. I will not read the Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam form. It is written in the Pradama Vibhakti Ekavachanam form. We will quickly go in Saptami Vibhakti. Bhaktaha kutra asti. Bhaktaha kutra santi abhi samyakeva. Bhaktaha devalaye santi. Bhaktaha devalaye santi. Shramyata. Bhaktaha. Bahuvachanam kartri prayoga samya bhaktavan. Padam vajanam tatreva kriyapadasya vajanam. Bhaktaha asti. Bhaktaha santi. Bhaktaha kutra asti. Bhaktaha devalaye asti. Bhaktaha kutra asti. Santi. Bhaktaha devalaye santi. Pustakam kutra asti. Pustakam syute asti. Syute ityukte bag. Syutaha bag eva. Akaranda pullinga shabdam eva. Syutaha bag. Syute in the bag. Pustakam kutra asti. So you got the answer. Kutra means Saptami Vibhakti. Astu. Agre gacchamaha. Neenaha fish. Nadi river. Mashi ink. Mashi is ink only. Droni bucket. Jalam water. Lekhani pen. Annam rice. Darvi big spoon. Mother takes the spoon or wife takes the spoon and gives you sambar, rice, etc. That big spoon, not a chamasaha eva small spoon. But darvi. With the big opening and not opening, that kind of a thing. Samadarvi, dosha, you can't use mix, you do samadarvi, flat, sama flat. Samadarvi, flat darvi for dosha, whatever it is, and samadarvi, darvi for sambar, rice, avial, kichadi and all, you use samadarvi. Not samadarvi, sada darvi, normal darvi. Panditaha, wise man. Kashi is that famous place where all the Pandits finally go. Meenaha kutra asti. Meenaha, nadi will become nadyam. Nadyam asti. Mashi kutra asti, ing kutra asti, ing tatra droni likhidam kinchit ulta sida. It is not in the right form. Mashi lekhanya, in the pen only mashi will be there, right? Pen lekhani asti, lekhanyam mashi asti. Kupyam jalam asti, kupi kupyam. Mashi, not mashi. Lekhani lekhanyam. Jalam kutra asti, jalam will be in the bucket. So droni is the bucket. Jalam in the bucket asti. Jalam dronyam asti. Annam kutra asti. Annam darvyam asti. Darvyam asti. Pandita kutra asti. Pandita kashyam. Kashyam asti. So that yam will come. Nadyam, dronyam, lekhanyam, darvyam, kashyam. That yam is in, on, at. Atra sarvam in eva. In the river, in the pen, in the bucket, in the ladle or big spoon, in Kashi. So etat sarvam in arthameva. Utpidika, table utpidika to strilinga padameva. So pustakam utpidikayam in the Agalaya padam in Ashutameva on the table. Tatradi saptami vibhakti bhavati. Pustagam utpidikayam. Utpidikayam. E agaranda nabumsagam will become yam. Nadi nadyam. Utpidikayam. Atra sarvam ikarandameva. Parantu utpidika agarandameva. Griham, Pustagam, Bhavanam, Mandiram, Vanam. Griham, house, Pustagam, book, Bhavanam, building, Mandiram, temple, Vanam, forest. Edat sarvam Agaranda, Nabumsaga Padameva. Mada, mother, Rigaranda, Strilinga Padam, but we will not get into it right now. Mada, Janani, Mada, Amba, Sarvam Samana Arthaeva. Kadha, story. Raja, Raja eva, Bhaktaha, devotee, Simha, lion. Mada kutra asti, Mata, Griham, I told you, Agara and the Nabumsaka Padams will all continue to have from third Vibhakti onwards. Exactly like Pullinga Shabdam, Grihe asti. Ekadamsham. Aham kinchit testing karomi. Pratap Mahodaya asti va? Pratap Mahodaya. Unmute कृत्वा वदतु Pratap Mahodaya.
Kakshyam. Mahodaya Kakshyam asti.
Kakshyayam. Please don't unmute and ask questions. You can write it in the chat. I will write it. Kakshya, that yam will come. Kakshayam. Pratap Mahodaya asti va? Anya, ekanimisham. I will ask somebody's name here. Just a minute. Dhriti asti va? Dhriti. Dhriti adya kakshayam. Kakshayam. In the kaksha. Kakshayam agadavati va? Dhriti. Sa vina agachati. Sida Lakshmi asti va? Sida Lakshmi. Atra Sida Lakshmiya. Sida Lakshmiyaha namam drishyate. Sida Lakshmi kakshayam asti va?
Am Mahodaya.
Sida Lakshmi Bhagini Saptami Vibhakti Prayogam Krutva Etat Sarvam Purayatu Mata Grihe Asti. Aham example Uktavan. Anandaram Sarvam Bhagini Vadadu.
Mata Grihe Asti. Kata Pustake Asti. Raja Bhavane Asti. Bhaktaha Mandire Asti. Simha Vane Asti.
Sammyakeva. Mute karodu. Bhagini mute karodu. I wanted to just test because I am doing this monologue. Wanted to just test whether whatever I am saying is received by students or not. So Griham Grihe. Pustakam Pustake. Bhavanam Bhavane. Mandiram Mandire. Vanam Vane. Edateva Saptami Vibhakti Prayoga. Then saha. Saha is he. So kinjit vyathyasam asti. Tatra. We will talk about it. Saha, in him, when I want to say tasmin. Saha tasmin. Eshaha, in him, etasmin. Eshaha, edasmin. Kaha, in who, in whom, if I want to ask, kasmin. In whom, kasmin. Sa, her, she. In her, if you want to say, tasyam. Tasmin, tasyam. Saha, in him, tasmin. In her, tasyam. In him, when the person is nearby, edasmin. In her, when I want to say, at when she is nearby, etasyam. In whom I have to ask? In whom? Kasmin. In whom, but female, kasyam. Kasyam. We will give examples of all this, and then I will. Oh, I think it's done here. Okay. Tasmin, in him. Tasyam, in her. Etasmin, in him, when the person is nearby. Etasyam, in her, when she is nearby. Kasmin, in whom, in prashnavadaka shabdameva. Kasyam, in whom, in ladies form, in feminine form.